Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mirror your phone to your PC. I am an iPhone user and also use Windows laptop, so I'm going to show you step by step on how you can cast your iPhone to your PC. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more videos. So what you need is one software. So you come to a software, you come to your search bar and search LonelyScreen. You can see search LonelyScreen and it's easy and you click on download. As you can see, it has started download here. The file is a little bit small, so click when it download finish, you click on the file. So the file is opening, then you click the current file. It's downloading and you wait till the file is finished installing. So after finish, now you click on install, click on next. As you can see, let me minimize it so that you can see, and you click on install. So it will appear on your phones like this. Then you click allow access. So when you click on, you are using a free version, a free trial version. You want to subscribe now, just click on data. Then here you can change the name. You can see I just write this, so that you just write the name. So now come down to swipe down, then you click on screen mirroring. You can see that you have already seen them. Then you click on the name and then we'll start it. As you can see, it has already automatically collected. So now whatever you are doing, whatever you are doing on your phone, you will be on your laptop. So this is how you connect your iPhone to Windows PC without payment version. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.